Welcome back to another Gale Bears Repairs. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear light cluster on this 2013 Citroen C4. Right, let's get on with it. To remove this light cluster on this 2013 Citroen C4, you've got to come inside the boot there, and the first thing we've got to do is remove this panel to access the securing nut. So we just get this panel, it's only fabric, it's nothing. Get your finger in the top, bend it down, slide it out. And this one's miraculously already got a light inside, ready to film. To remove the light cluster, you've got to get to the securing nut that's up in here. So we're going in and you've got to reach up. You've got to go up under. And you can just see it there. There's the stud with the nut on it. So we just got to undo that nut. I think it's a 10mm. I've tried to film this. I cannot get the camera in there and record. So all you need to know, look, is you need a 10mm socket or a spanner or something to get in there onto that nut. So you just got to give it a little reach around. Got to get your arm in there. Get up onto that nut. And you're undoing it in an anti-clockwise direction. So we're just spinning that nut off. It's gone very loose. Just spin it off of that stud. And away it comes, look. So that's all it is. It's just a single nut. Let's see if you're in focus. So now that we've undone that single nut that's inside there, we grab this light and we want to grab it with our grippy hands and pull it this way. It's going to be on some pegs, on some guides. So I'll get around this side. And I'm just going to give it a shove. There we go. Look. Don't be afraid of it. Just give it a good shove that way. Don't try to peel it out or force it that way. Slide it to the back of the car. And then you withdraw it, out it comes. I'll show you how to disconnect it electrically. So we're now going to remove this light cluster from the vehicle. So if you're replacing the light cluster because it's damaged or it's got water in it, you depress that tab there on the electrical plug with your thumb, just depress it and then pull, and away it comes. So that's your light cluster removed from the vehicle. So when you're replacing your light cluster, if you've got one from the scrapyard, so you've got this, it may not come with this section. It may not come with this, so I'll show you how to remove that. Here, you're going to have to undo these two Torx bits. They're a T20, so you're going to need a Torx 20 bit. So we'll undo those two. There you go, look, it's just a standard self-tapping screw with a Torx head on it. Nothing special. Right, so they're removed now, and you've got on here now these tabs. So you've got to bend them out. They're hooking over. So you bend them out and then push that up, look. And then there's two more up here. They're a bit fiddly because you need three hands basically. So you need to be able to pull them apart. And then, yeah, see they've clipped back in now. So you're fighting. It would be easier with two people really. Right, so he's out, look. And then, yeah, look, there he goes. So now the light cluster pulls away. So that's removed now. So if you were replacing the cluster and it didn't come with it, then you would have to swap that across to your new lens that you'd bought. So now we're going to slide that in, look. So we want it like that. That post is coming through the center. All our bulbs going in. And these just snap into place, look. So you just push it and it'll clip in over those tangs. Here you go, you hear it there. And then here. There we go, look, it's clipped into place. Nice and secure. And then we just do up our two Torx bits. You don't have to really cream these up, just a nip. Just pose them in tight. And there we go. Ready to refit. Right, so to refit the light cluster, you want that pressy tab thing at the top. So you want to push him in there. Look, that's the electrical connection. You want to listen for it to snap shut. There you go. And then give it a tug test. Just give it a pull. Make sure it's secure. And then on here, you've got two holes in the bodywork. One there, one there. And then there's two pegs there. So there's a peg there and a peg there. They've got to slide in. So you've got to come in from the back. And you've got to slide it in from the rear. Such a child. Such a child. All right. And then there's a little tang there that's got to slide over. So you've got to keep that in close to the body. So we want to get it lined up. That's those two pegs. I've just felt that drop in. And then out here, you've got to keep it in close to the body. And then just grab the whole thing and slide it in. And that is it. It's in. You can give it a little shove just to take it home the rest of the way. And that is it. We'll go and put that nut on the inside. So I've just got to get my arm up in. It's up high, look. You've got to reach up and around. Just catch that nut. And just do him up. Don't overdo this because you can pull that stud out of the plastic. So it's just go gentle with it. You're just pinning it in place. There, so it's a light torque. Let's put that back, and it's the two tangs at the bottom, the single tang at the top. So you hook it in at the bottom first, hook him in, and then push the top in. And that is it. Nice and easy peasy. Nice and easy how to replace the rear light cluster on your Citroen C4. One single nut. You will require a 10mm spanner or a 10mm socket to undo the cluster. If you buy a second-hand unit, if you buy a second-hand light, it may not come with the actual lamp assembly where all the bulbs are. So be prepared that you may have to swap that across to the replacement lamp then. I had trouble spitting my words out then. If you want to look at some other Citroen C4 videos that I've got, you can click on a link that's going to appear here now. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative, could you please like, subscribe and share.